Welcome guys to the new episode of Doctor Appointment Booking app. In this episode we are going to enable storage in Supabase. From the left side you can select the storage in Supabase dashboard, and here you can add the new bucket and you can give the name of bucket Doctor Images. Okay, and you can select this public bucket. Anyone can access these images, or if you can keep it private as well. Okay, so for now we will keep it as public, and we have to give the we will select the images only. Okay, save this. Okay, inside this images you can store any kind of data related to user image or doctor image. Okay, so once that is done you can see the policies here. Okay, under configuration tab here we have policies. Okay, we will create a new policy from here. You can see get started quickly. So from here we have this enable insert access for authenticated users only, enable update access for users based on their email. So here we have these options based on which you can add the policies to your app. So as you know, privacy is more important for every organization, so make sure you choose wisely, make sure you choose these policies wisely. Okay, so who can access these kind of data, only choose that kind of policy. So for example, enable insert access for authenticated users only. Okay, so we will use this template. Okay, and we will review. Here you can see this policy and save this policy. So only authenticated users can insert in this bucket. Okay, here you can see other policies under storage.objects. You can edit the policy, delete the policy here, or you can create a new policy from here. Okay, we are going to see these policies in detail. So here you can see the option for docs. All the policy details are added here properly. So we will explore these policies in depth in this course, so that you don't have to worry about things. Okay, so for now we just set up the project and move towards creating the project, and when we add the images we will see what kind of policies we need to add to make sure the data is secure and have the right policies attached with it. Okay guys, so in this episode we have created the storage bucket. In the next episode we will focus on authentication and set up the authentication for this doctor appointment booking app. So your today's task is to set up the storage and add the policies required for this images folder. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.